Hi guys! It's been a really long time since I shared my last Finnish recipe, and yeah, I thought it's about time to share a new one. So today is a really simple recipe for an oven baked pancake. That's how it's called in Finland. It's just a pancake which is made in the oven. It's made with really simple ingredients, so you probably have everything you need at your home, and it's really quick and easy to make. So let's get started with the recipe. Ingredients for this recipe are really simple. I have 2 eggs here, all-purpose flour, some butter that's melted and cooled, then some milk, sugar and cardamom. You could leave the cardamom out, or you could add vanilla, so vanilla paste or cinnamon instead. First I'm just going to grind the cardamom. I prefer using cardamom pods to readily grind a cardamom because I feel like they have a bit more flavor. So just want to grind them until it's powder-like. Then I have a medium bowl here to which I'm going to add in the flour along with a tablespoon of sugar. You could add 2 tablespoons if you want it sweeter, but because this pancakes are served, or this pancake is served with sweet toppings, I prefer not to add a lot of sugar to the actual batter. And then we are also adding the cardamom and give it a short whisk. I'm going to add the butter to the milk and break my eggs into a small bowl, and then you just want to shortly whisk the eggs. Then I have my bowl back and I'm just gonna add the eggs first. So you just shortly want to whisk in the egg, and once it gets really thick, so you cannot really mix it in anymore, then you want to start adding in the milk and the butter little by little, so that you can whisk it well and get rid of all of the lumps. So now it's really thick, so I'm just gonna whisk this really nice to get rid of all of the flour lumps, and then I'm gonna add in the rest of the wet ingredients little by little. And then once you've added everything to the batter and you've mixed it well, it's nice and smooth, you want to leave it aside to proof for 30 minutes at room temperature. In the last 15 minutes of your proving time, you can start preheating your oven. So for me, it's been now the 30 minutes. I'm just gonna give a final whisk. Don't worry, it's a really runny batter, so shouldn't worry about that. That's how it's supposed to be. Then I have an oven-proof casserole dish here that I've laid with some parchment paper, and I'm just gonna transfer my batter into it. And then you want to pop it in the oven and bake it according to the recipe. Once the pancake has baked and it has a beautiful golden browning on it, you want to remove it from the oven and allow it to cool completely. I think this is a perfect recipe for the weekend, for cozy weekend in the winter. It's obviously a whole year recipe, you can make it anytime, but I kind of feel like it's perfect for this weather. I served this this time with a little bit of yogurt and some homemade jam, but you can top this pancake with anything you would top a normal pancake with. So you can use some berries, you can use some syrup, some chocolate spread, or anything you might enjoy. This recipe makes 8 pieces, but you can easily double it, and then you can bake this pancake on a baking tray. And if you have any leftovers, then it keeps really well in the fridge. So just want to allow the pancake to cool completely, wrap it in some cling film or store it in an airtight container, and it will last for a couple of days in the fridge. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I also hope it inspired you for some weekend baking, for some delicious treats for your family. You can find the recipe down below in the description box. If you enjoyed this Finnish recipe, don't forget that thumbs up for support, and if you'd like to see more Finnish recipes, then just shortly let me know in the comments and I will try to share more of these. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.